Hello, so I found a really easy way to make a Barbie bed, so I thought I might share it with you guys. So what you're going to need for this bed is some hot glue, some paper straws or any straws will work, and some foam board or cardboard, some felt or fabric, and last but not least, some pillow stuffing or some quilt batting. Just a few simple materials to make a really good Barbie bed. Let's get started. Okay, first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your foam board or cardboard and you're gonna measure out your doll. This will be for the mattress of the bed. I'm gonna make mine a little shorter than the doll to save some space. Now that I have my measurements, I'm going to cut it out. When you cut it, the foam board, you can use an X-Acto knife, but X-Acto knives can be pretty sharp, so make sure you have some adult supervision. As for cardboard, you can just cut them with scissors. Now that you have your two pieces of foam board or cardboard cut out, you can cut some quilt batting to the same size as these, or just lay some stuffing on. I just use quilt batting because I find it's easier to work with and put on to the foam board or cardboard, but remember, pillow stuffing works just as well, and you can totally use that. I just decided to use this. Okay, for the next step, you are going to take some felt, and you are going to cut it about the same size as your foam board or cardboard. But you do want to have an inch left on each side. Okay, so then you're just going to mark it off how much you want. Okay, let's just mark this. So you're going to mark out how much you want, and then you are just going to cut. Okay, now that that's cut, you're going to lift up your foam board and put in your quilt batting, and then lay your foam board back on top. Make sure to leave that extra inch around the outside. Okay. You are going to run a little bead of glue, a little line of glue across the top of your foam board or cardboard, and then just fold the felt over. Then just let that dry. Once it dries, I usually tend to cut off the corners whenever I fold something over, because I find it helps me from having to to fold it like a present. So I'm just gonna cut off the corners, and I just do the two top corners, not the bottom corners yet, just the two top ones. After you have cut off the two top corners, you are going to lay it down and then run another line of glue going straight down the side. Okay, now you're going to pull it over really tight, making sure not to move this side, and you just want to pull this over and make it pretty tight and secure. Now you're going to cut off this corner, and now you're just going to repeat this for all of the sides. Once you have done that for both of them, now we can start making the bed frame. Take your bed mattress and two straws and glue them equally on the opposite sides. Keep the bed quite close to the ground so the top bunk will be able to fit up there. Then do the same thing on the back of the mattress. But remember, when you glue the back ones on, make sure that you can at least fit one straw in between. Once you have 4 long straws above the mattress and a few little bits of them under the mattress, you are going to glue the top mattress on. Make sure to have it fairly high so then your doll can sit up in bed when it's on the bottom bunk. Now that we have glued both of the mattresses on to 4 straws, our bed ends are very stable. So you are going to need to take one more straw And you're gonna glue it very close to the other one for a little ladder. This part's optional because you could just fly your Barbies or dolls up, but I'm going to put a ladder just so it looks a little more realistic. Then just take a straw and cut it into pieces that fit in between your ladder so the Barbies can actually get up the ladder. I think we still need a little more stability, so I'm going to cut these to fit in between this. And oh my gosh, guys, we are done. This is looking so good. Let's get Swag in here to try this out. Were you calling me? Yes. So this is an OMG Big Sister, and she fits so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. You know what we need now? Ow. We need some bedding. Like, I'm thinking pillows and comforters. That's the stuff. You know what, you guys? Swag is totally right. Okay, you should check back for part 2. We are going to make some pillows and comforters, and like and subscribe for part 2, and we'll see you then. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. See, can I help for that part 2? Please? Please, I need help. I am all for sleeping.